A rallying cry from First Nations chiefs as they fight Alberta separation. Hundreds coming together at the steps of the legislature Thursday afternoon to deliver a united no.
I want to respectfully remind the Premier that this land that we stand on today is treaty land and is not yours to take or make sweeping decisions about. This is a violation of our treaty, a threat to peace and friendship we agreed upon.
Earlier in the day, the Lake Cree Nation told the world they are taking it to the courts, arguing the Alberta Sovereignty within a United Canada Act and a lack of consultation on it violates their treaty rights.
This is based on precedent. This is based on the constitutional section that we do have those Aboriginal rights, and they precede the Constitution.
Onion Lake first announced intentions to sue in 2022, but its legal team says that process was stayed pending an election and a hope that Alberta would have a change of heart.
Honourable Ms. Smith.
For some, those hopes died late Wednesday with the passing of Bill 54. Once in effect, it will lower the number of signatures needed to trigger a referendum, including one on separation, from about 600,000 Albertans to 177,000.
The Chiefs were clear. They want Bill 54 scrapped. As Chief Tuckero stated, it's garbage.
Alberta's Indigenous Relations Minister acknowledged the Chiefs' fierce objections to Bill 54. Later, Rick Wilson joined his caucus mates in voting for an amended version, which says no referendum will violate treaty rights.
I've become great friends with them, and to understand that they're hurting right now, it makes me hurt, and I want to work with them.
But this chief says the Justice Minister's last-minute non-derogation clause means nothing to him.
People are tired of the rhetoric. They're tired of the direction where we can see it going, and not being included in some of those discussions. We feel like we're second-class citizens in our own country.
Alberta's premier says she wants the province to stay in Canada, but will respect the results of a referendum.
You know what, I think, though, if you want a meaning relationship, that she has to repeal that bill.
To quote a line from the treaty's chiefs are resolute. They will oppose separation as long as the sun shines, the grass grows, and the rivers flow. From Edmonton, Sean Amato, City News.